Right, we've broken out of this section here now of this pendant channel. The question is, are we going to hold below this support and potentially melt? It's actually a very interesting structure because this red line here is a 100 moving average. Now, one of the rules is every time price hits this 100 moving average, we will get a reaction. So you can see we had a reaction here, we broke through and then broke all the way up. Here was another reaction, here's another reaction, here's another reaction. So you can see every time it comes close to this red line, the rule is it will have a reaction and trade within the trend. Look at how beautiful this is. The question is, now we are currently trading within this section of this moving average. The question is, are we going to break through or break below? But I do know volume is due. The reason volume is due is because we've had this consolidation push onto the upside, failed to break above. Now we've had a story of a retracement pulling all the way back down to the 26k mark. The question is, can we come to the 24.6? If we look at the weekly chart side of things, you know, we had exactly the same formation. If I section this off for you to easily see, we had a push onto the upside, we had our consolidation, and then a push onto the upside. Guess what? Another consolidation here. So will we pull back a little bit before pushing all the way up, or are we going to continue from here all the way up and hit the 35k mark? So these are the major key levels. Before we continue with the video, I just wanted to quickly say, don't forget we have a few days left of our Bitget competition, literally up to $15,000 worth of the cash pool prize for you guys to win. So $4,000 for number one, and then also $40,000 worth of bonuses plus a discount on your trade-in fees. So it's only for Coin Bureau, exclusive for you guys. Link in the description below. Let's get back to the video. So in the comments that you guys have actually given us, you've asked me to go into a lower time frame and then talk to you guys about the key levels and tell you the major key levels that are more imminent. And I think the reason why you guys are looking for this is, number one, to confirm with your confidences and your analysis, and number two, potentially help you with your trade ideas. So you ask and you shall receive. So I'm going to give you my key levels from the 1 hour point of view, and we're going to do it fresh right here, right now. I think the first thing we should be able to do is right this current time and moment, we have this bottom trend line. And this bottom trend line is basically showing you that high, low, and then a higher low. But what we have here is a resistance up above here, so we could draw a zone. So we have somewhat of like a triangle formation, so a breakout is due from either direction, above or below. Now it doesn't matter which one it does, but what we can prepare for is if we break above 26,538, we can look to retest, and then if it breaks up and above, then our next major key level here is 26,800. So if we want to prepare for the downside, we have a major support here, which was tested multiple times and also tested here on the 23rd of May. So if we break below this trend line and below this support, then at 26,360, we need price to hold below. So we need a full body candle here. So like a whole hour of trading below this zone, and then potentially to break below and then trade below 26,120. Now, if we have a candle that actually holds below 26,100, we can finally have a higher probability and a higher confidence to sit at the 24,400 mark. So, you know, maybe a good psychological level could be 25k, because if we look at 25k and we move the time over a bit, this was a major resistance in February sometime, and you can see how many times this tested the 25k mark. So once, 2, 3, and 4. And then what happened if we fast forward is this pushed up above 25k and then became a support. So that is our key levels that we currently have available from the 1 hour and the lower time frame. So we can see this resistance holding. So it'll be interesting to see what happens to price when this video is out. Let me know in the comments below what you're looking for when it comes to Bitcoin. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.